5-minute tutorial for beginners to crochet a peacock blue vintage headband. Materials. Start with a foundation chain. Bring the yarn down to form a loop. Hold the intersection. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the tail to tighten. Foundation chain completed. Then work chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop. 1 chain completed. Beginners, place a stitch marker in the first stitch. The stitch looks like the letter V. Turn it over. The back ridge of the chain is called the back bump. Make 4 chains in total. Then work a treble crochet into the back bump of the first chain. Yarn over twice. Insert hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. 1 treble crochet completed. This forms a loop, space. Work the second group. First, make 10 chains. Then go back to the 4th chain from the hook. Work a treble crochet into the back bump. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops at a time, 3 times. 2 groups completed. Next, repeat the second group pattern 8 times. Make 10 chains. Then work a treble crochet into the back bump of the 4th chain from the hook. Work 8 more groups. After this, there will be 10 CH spaces in total. The length can be adjusted as needed. Now work the second round. Start with 3 chains. Next, work entirely inside the CH space. First, work a treble crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. All stitches are V-shaped. Next, work a special 4 half double crochet cluster stitch. First, make an unfinished half double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into the CH space, yarn over and pull through. Pull up to the same height as the treble crochet. 1 unfinished half double crochet completed. Repeat 3 more times. Try to keep the height consistent. Now there are 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 8 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Special 4 half double crochet cluster stitch completed. Hereafter referred to as cluster stitch. Next, into the space between the cluster stitch and the treble crochet. Work half double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into the space, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all loops. 1 half double crochet completed. Work 2 more half double crochet in the same spot. 3 half double crochet in total. 1 cluster stitch plus 3 half double crochet form 1 small pattern unit. Repeat this unit 3 more times in the same CH space. First, work a cluster stitch. Start with 4 unfinished half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through the first 8 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Cluster stitch completed. Next, into the space between 2 cluster stitches. Work 3 half double crochet. This completes 2 small pattern units. Complete the remaining 2 units in the same space. Please complete on your own. After these 4 small units are done, work 1 more treble crochet in the same space. This completes 1 large pattern unit inside 1 chain space. Next, repeat the first group pattern in each CH space. Pattern: 1 treble crochet, 1 cluster stitch plus 3 half double crochet. Repeat 4 times. 1 treble crochet. The initial 3 chains are not repeated. Do not twist the chain. For the second group, work a treble crochet into the next chain space. Then repeat cluster stitch plus 3 half double crochet 4 times. Finally, work another treble crochet. Please complete on your own. After finishing, make 3 chains. Work a slip stitch in the same space. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the hook. This is how one side looks after all pattern repeats. Crochet the other side symmetrically. Start with 3 chains. Then repeat the first group pattern to the end. First, work a treble crochet. Place the yarn tail over the hook and crochet over it to hide. Then cluster stitch plus 3 half double crochet 4 times. Finally, work a treble crochet. The pattern is repeated. The 3 chains are only worked at both ends. Do not repeat the 3 chains in the following pattern repeats. Complete on your own. A complete pattern repeat is symmetrical. Complete the remaining part on your own. This is how it looks when finished. After the last pattern repeat, make 3 chains. Then work a slip stitch in the same space. Without cutting the yarn, make 70 to 80 chains for the strap. Length can be adjusted. Then go back to the 3rd chain from the hook. Work a cluster stitch into the back bump. First, make 3 unfinished half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all loops at once. Cluster stitch completed. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Use a tapestry needle to hide the yarn tail. Cut the yarn end. 1 side strap completed. Same method for the other side. Reattach yarn at the center. Leave a yarn tail. Pull the yarn through. Directly work chains. Same length as before. Same method. Complete on your own.